Hello everyone, in today's video we will show you a bunch of cool tech hacks that you can do on your iPad or any other iOS device. The first thing is how to get this today bar to stay there and get you widgets all the time. So your iPad might look like this right now, and when you slide it looks like that. But if you want that to always be on there, you can just click and hold on one of the widgets, say edit home screen, and toggle the keep on home screen button. So toggling this like that will keep the today view on your home screen next to all of your apps. Then you can click done and you'll have this always on here. Also, how to remove it is click edit home screen and untoggle it. Now I'm going to show you how to organize your widgets on this today view right here. So first you just can hold down on any of your apps and just start editing your home screen by clicking edit your home screen. Then there's a little plus button in the top left corner. I'm going to click that and a bunch of different options. So you can add news, for example. You can make it a smaller one, you can make it a larger one, and you can make it a very large one. I'm just going to do this small one right now, and I can add it right here. I also can move them by dragging them around. And if you would like to add a specific thing to this box, you can go like that. And then when you click done, it'll save it, and that's all. I'm going to show you how to respond to messages while you are on your lock screen. All you have to do is press and hold down on the message and type whatever you want. I'm just going to say hi and click the send button, and it'll send. Now I'm going to show you how to fix errors in messages. First, you can type something like, hello, how are you? So I'm just going to imagine that I did that, and to fix it, I'm going to hold down on the space bar, and you can just move, and it'll move your thing. So you can just pick, I'm going to go right there. Just press delete and put in an O, and that completely fixes my problem. Then you can send it, and it fixed your issue. You can also do this in docs and any other typing format. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to add and remove apps from your toolbar. So this is pretty simple. You might even already know how to do it. So first you just hold down on one of your apps, and there'll be an option that says edit home screen. So I'm just going to click that. Then I can press the little minus sign, which won't delete your apps, it'll just remove it from your toolbar. You can also add an app to your toolbar, dragging them in, and they should stay there. You can fit up to 13 apps in your toolbar. Then you click done, and all of your apps that you've put in there should stay there. And now if I want to remove some of them, I can drag them back out. So now I'm going to show you how to hide a specific photo from view. So just go into the Photos app and click the first button in the top right corner. Then you're going to scroll down and press hide. And then you go to hidden and it'll show up. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.